going to be installing some smaller rock. But here she goes. This trail is only located on a private land. Adjacent here is privately held property by a resource company, aka a logging company. They own about 250,000 acres to my right. It's about 36 miles to the nearest non-logging road. You can hear we're coming upon this, have a little cut off on the trail here. The side trail comes down to this really nice bench that sits in front of this big, beautiful, about 8 foot tall or 8 foot wide old growth redwood log, and overlooks our creek. We'll go back up here on once it dries out a little bit, we're going to paint the all the wood with solid stain. There's the finished product. Here's the treehouse, terrace, and the cottage. Take it easy, ladies and gentlemen.